Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Cologne Mesh Manager Chair. Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, arms, mechanism, gas strut cover, 5-star base, 5 casters, Allen key, and 14 bolts, which are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen keys provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Take the gas strut cover and place it over the gas strut like this. Next, attach the mechanism to the seat base. With the arrow on the mechanism pointing to the front of the seat base, insert the 4 bolts provided. Once the 4 bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Now, attach the backrest to the seat pad using the 4 bolts. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Then, using the 6 bolts, attach the arms to the seat pad. When fitted, both arms should be pointing forward with the buttons on the outside. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. With the help of another person, place the seat onto the gas strut like this. Please keep your Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they come loose. And there you have it, your Cologne Mesh Manager Chair from Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.